Elaine reveals not earning anything when working for Amber. The infamous lawyer was on the losing side during one of the most watched trials of all time when Johnny Depp sued Amber Heard for defamation. A lot of people seem to think that Elaine Bredehoft was not good enough to represent Amber, and maybe that's true watching this clip.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay. Objection, Your Honor, lack of foundation. Objection, Your Honor, lack of foundation calls for speculation.
Do you recall? I'm trying.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay. I'm going to
a bunch of scar tissue.
I'm going to object to the extent it calls for hearsay.
But it has now come to light that Elaine might not have been paid for representing Amber, and that is truly shocking. Keep watching to find out more. For a little backstory, Amber is appealing the decision in the well-known case, and she's fired the attorneys who represented her throughout the trial and hired a new group of attorneys. According to a news report, Amber's spokesperson announced that the actor has hired David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brown of Ballard Spahr to lead, with Ben Rottenborn continuing as co-counsel. Elaine Bredehoft, who represented Amber in the defamation case, will be stepping down from her position. Perhaps that is not surprising, considering her less than convincing arguments at the trial.
Amber got together with her friends. They decided they were going to set Johnny up, and so they called the police, and they tried to make up this whole story, get him arrested, but the police said there's no evidence here, and went away, and they said, darn.
Morgan Termaine, an ex-TMZ staffer who was Johnny Depp's eyewitness, recently made fun of Elaine Bredehoft on social media. He said, "So Bestie got fired and replaced her lawyers with the same firm that failed to stop me from testifying? Do I have that right?" This is the same TMZ witness that absolutely grilled Elaine on the stand and made her look like a laughingstock with some of the questions she was asking. One example being,
You know this case is being televised, right?
I am aware that there are cameras.
And so this gets you your 15 minutes of fame, doesn't
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
it? I can ask that question.
Overruled.
So I stand to gain nothing from this. I'm actually putting myself kind of in a target of TMZ, a very litigious organization, and I'm not seeking any 15 minutes here. Though you're welcome to speculate. I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you.
A little argumentative, don't you think?
Oh, hardly. I find that to be purely logical. Thank you.
so how exactly did Elaine react to being fired from Amber's legal team? Elaine was quoted to have said, "This is the perfect time to pass the baton," Bredehoft further said. "I have pledged to Amber and her appellate team my complete cooperation and assistance as they move forward on a path towards success." The Aquaman actor fired Elaine Bredehoft and replaced her with David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brown of Ballard Spahr. Some legal experts believe this is going to be an extremely pivotal move in any appeals and trials going forward for Amber Heard. Eric D. Subin, a senior trial attorney and partner at Subin Associates, told Newsweek, "In order for Heard's appeal to be successful, her counsel will need to convince the appellate court that there was such a mistake of law or fact that occurred during the trial, and furthermore that the error caused harm to her ability to receive a fair trial." With that being said, what does the internet think about this whole Elaine Bredehoft fiasco? She was certainly a divisive figure, so let's find out. One Twitter user thinks that gotta love Elaine Bredehoft getting canned despite her attacking the judge, jury, witnesses, YouTubers, and more for Amber Heard. Funny, Heard blames her for the clown car while wearing the floppiest shoes. Another was of the opinion that, so looks like Elaine Bredehoft is stepping down as counsel for Amber Heard while Rottenborn is staying on. From what I saw of the trial performance, this is a smart play by Amber Heard's team. I wonder what, if any, retirement plan she has. One user had a different take on the role that Elaine played. "I tweeted this before, but seeing Amber be supported by Elaine Bredehoft throughout the trial really gave me some relief. The legal system is notoriously cruel to survivors, and it is important that attorneys are hyper aware of this." #Thank you, Elaine Bredehoft. That's all for this video. Do you think Elaine deserved to be fired? Can Amber win the appeal with her new team? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.